cold world. Can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough.
Do me a favor, pick me up, take me out later. Don't worry about no paper, 'cause I got mine stacked up for nights like this.
Hey you all, I hope you all have had a blessed day so far. I'm back with another video. This will be a quick tutorial on how I got these heatless curls using my Flexi rods. So as you can see, I have some medium-sized Flexi rods, and all I'm going to do in this video is just show you how I unrolled them. There are plenty of videos that show you all how to apply Flexi rods to your hair. However, if you all would like for me to show you all how I install my Flexi rods, then I can do that whenever I take these faux locks that I currently have in my hair out. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you all the results. So now that I have all the rollers out, I'm just going to make sure that I have some type of oil on the tip of my fingers, and I'm going to gently unwind the curls. You don't want to separate the curls too much because that will cause friction and make your hair frizzy. So I'm just going to separate it only 3 to 4 times, but just do it as much as your hair allows to. Now I'm going to take a pick and I'm going to gently lift my roots. As you can see, I'm not pulling the comb all the way through my hair because I do not want to separate the curls anymore. I just want to tug at my roots a little bit just to make it more full. This would not be a tutorial of mine if I didn't lay my edges. So I'm using the Murray's Extreme Edge Control. I'll leave the link or the products that I use in the description box for you all. And here are the final results. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. If you like videos like this, then give me a thumbs up. As always, thank you all so much for watching.